In a sunlit park, a clever raccoon sets up a tiny cart selling snacks he found by accident, drawing curious animals. An otter rides a skateboard, slickly delivering jokes, while the crowd roars with laughter at his slippery stunts. A parrot acts as the hype man, squawking punchlines that bounce between trees, while squirrels collect every wink like treasures. The crowd learns a secret. Teamwork turns mishaps into a show, and every burst of laughter stitches the park closer. As dusk falls, the animal crew bows, promising more mischief and kindness next week, under twinkling park lamps.